Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 5 Additional Mathematics, Chapter 1 Progressions, Long Question Example 3. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright, let me read the question now. On 1st of January 1990, Mr. Samsul opened a fixed deposit account with 10,000 ringgit. Interest at 5% of the amount standing in account at the time is added each year on 1st of January beginning from 1991. No withdrawals are made. So the question asks to calculate the common ratio of the amount of money on 1st January 1991 to the amount of money on 1st January 1990. Okay, continue to read the remaining question. The year in which there will be more than 25,000 ringgit for the first time in the account after the interest has been added. So these are the questions, guys. I hope you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. Okay, without further delay, let us start to do the discussion for the solution part A followed by the solution part B. Alright, let us begin. Okay, before you begin this question, okay, I want to ask you one question, guys. Okay, the question that you read, is it an arithmetic progression problem or geometric progression problem? Okay, if you said geometric progression, congratulations, guys, your answer is correct. Okay, how do you know that it's a geometric progression? Okay, have a look at this hint, guys. The question asks to find the common ratio. Okay, common ratio is only available in the geometric progressions. Okay, whereas for arithmetic progression, the common difference is applied. Okay, they are similar concept, but they are not exactly the same. Okay, just for your information, guys. Okay, from here, let us start to discuss the solution. So from the question, the first term A is 10,000 ringgit. The common ratio is given as 5%, which has the interest rate. So this 5% we can express in terms of fraction, guys, since they are saying that 5% is increment. Okay, 5% of increment we can mention in 100 over 100 plus with 5 over 100. Okay, so from here you get your common ratio R is equals to 105 over 100. Okay, 105 you divide with 100, so you divide this, you should get your common ratio R is equals to 1.05. So this is your answer, guys. Common ratio R is equals to 1.05, and this is the common ratio for this question. Okay, let us proceed to the question part B now. Okay, for the question part B, we need to find the Tn value such that it's more than 25,000 ringgit. Okay, the Tn formula for arithmetic progression and geometric progression are slightly different, guys. Okay, let me explain to you. Okay, given for geometric progression, so this is your formula which you're going to use to find your Tn value. Okay, the A is still the same, which is the first term. But then in this case, instead of using common difference, you are going to use the common ratio. Okay, R, common ratio R to the power of n minus 1. So this is your formula to find your Tn for geometric progressions. Okay, make sure that when you are reading a question, the first thing you need to do is identify whether the question asking for arithmetic progressions or geometric progressions. Okay, if you can get that right, then the rest should not be a problem for you. Okay, so this is the formula which you're going to apply. So continue to read the question. So you substitute all the respective value. So your A is 10,000. So 10,000 you times with the R. Your common ratio R is 1.05 to the power of n minus 1. So you set it more than 25,000. Okay. Let me turn to the next page to read the remaining solution. So please hold on for a moment. Okay, so the same working I rewrite over here. So 10,000 you times with 1.05 to the power of n minus 1 more than 25,000. Okay, so let us continue to the next step. So from here, 25,000 you divide with 10,000, so from here you get 1.05 to the power of n minus 1 more than 2.5. Okay, so far so good. So from here, how are you going to continue, guys? So any ideas? Okay, if you have no idea, don't worry, I'm going to explain to you. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to log both sides. Okay, we're going to use the logarithm with respect to base 10, guys. Okay, so log 1.05 to the power of n minus 1 more than log 2.5. Okay, if you are wondering why I don't write here base 10, okay, it is understood, guys. When you are doing log with respect to base 10, it is up to you. You can write here 10, or if you don't want to write 10, it's up to you. Okay, so let us continue to the next working. So the n minus 1 to the power, you bring it to the front, it will become n minus 1 times with log 1.05 more than log 2.5. Okay, let us continue. So from here, to find the n minus 1, what you do? Log 2.5 you divide with log 1.05. Okay, so you press on the calculator. So you calculate this, you should get your n minus 1 is more than 18.78. So since we want to find the n value, so what we do? This negative 1 from the left hand side, you move it to the right hand side, so it will become positive. So 18.78 you plus with 1, so from here you get your your n is more than 19.78. Okay, let us continue. Since your n should be a positive integer, so your n cannot be 19.78, guys. So the possible value which can come up is n equals to 20 years. Okay, but this is not the final answer. We just figure out the years, but we need to find out the exact year, guys. So to find the exact year, what we need to do? Okay, let me show you. So to find the year, so from the year 1990, what you do? You plus with 20, you minus with 1. Why you minus with 1? Because you're including the year 1990 itself, okay, as the first year, guys. Okay, so you calculate this, you should get your year 2009. Okay, let me turn back to the question paper for your reference. So please hold on for a moment. Alright, that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright guys, thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.